Hello guys, welcome to FPL Chips. For better FPL advice, please do subscribe our channel and stay up to date with players' performance and predictions in FPL. A frustrating game week 3 ended with a Liverpool win over Arsenal. And Liverpool's fullbacks Trent and Robertson put some smiles on the face of FPL managers. Apart from that, it was an under the par game week as average points were limited to only 43. This game week shows how unpredictable FPL can be. Who would have thought last week's top scorer Heung-min Son will deliver only 1 point due to hamstring injury? Raul Jimenez scoring an own goal against West Ham is unthinkable. That sort of unpredictability makes FPL very interesting, so if your wildcard doesn't go as planned, don't give up and hope and plan better for next game weeks. First is Leicester's new fullback Timothy Castagne. Brendan Rodgers makes full use of his fullbacks by giving them freedom to roam on opposition box, which results in 1 goal and 2 assists and 1 clean sheets for Castagne so far. Leicester's next match is against West Ham, who have conceded 17 shots in the box so far, and with the attacking qualities of Castagne, he could continue his good run of form in next match too. Next player is Man City's Raheem Sterling. Last game week was not an ideal game for Man City and Sterling both. But as we all know that Man City is a free scoring team, and in the absence of Jesus and Aguero, Sterling will be their main attacking option. Their next game is against newly promoted Leeds United, who is defensively not so good, with conceding 7 goals in just 3 matches and conceded 16 shots per game so far this season. Magnificent Mane will try to increase his tally of 3 goals in next game week. He has averaged 3 shots per game so far this season. He is only 3 FPL points behind Mohamed Salah and looked sharper than Salah against Arsenal. Also, Mane performed better at away matches than Salah. Last season, he scored 7 goals and provided 3 assists away from home. Danny Ings is our last player on the watch list. He has scored 3 goals in 3 matches this season and is averaged 2 shots per game. He will be facing West Brom side, who has worst defense this season with 11 goals conceded in just 3 games. Sadio Mane would be amongst top captain pick in game week 4 due to his performances in away matches. Liverpool will be facing Aston Villa away. Though Villa is the only team not to concede a single goal so far this season, but in just 2 matches they have conceded 20 shots on goal, and the PL champions are getting stronger every match, so Mane would be wise captain pick. The most popular player this game week, Dominic Calvert-Lewin, is our next captain pick. He is joint top scorer with 5 goals in the PL this season and most transferred in player this game week. Everton's next match with Brighton could be a goal fest, as both teams have shown some good attacking intent in their games, and man in form Calvert-Lewin could prove to be a sensible captain pick. Danny Ings could become a handy captain in game week 4, who face a defensively poor West Bromwich at home. The West Brom side has let almost 8 shots on goal per game and conceded most goals this season. Danny Ings is more than able to expose their defensive frailties this game week. Thanks for watching FPL Chips. Please like and subscribe our video, and good luck for game week 4.